Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to put these BEOLAB 6000, how to put these covers back on, because they sometimes fall off. So this is BEOLAB 6000, and in the other, I probably should have made a video showing how to reform these, but too late now, I've already done them. So these covers, they end up falling off after a few years. So what happens is, these clips, you see these clips, they end up going inwards. They end up going in. So you get these clips, you get a sharp object, like a screwdriver or a scissors, something like that. And then you get the clips, you put the scissors underneath and pull them outwards. So I've already done it on these. So what happens is they end up going inwards. So you need to pull them back out. And then this is the bottom side. And then you put them from the top. And push down. So I had to hold two hands for this. So I had to put that down. So you put the cover like this, push down. And that's it, done. Easy as that. And this is very common, happens on nearly every single one I've had. Every single one of these BEOLAB 6000s. And that's it, how easy is that? But this Bang Olufsen is a lot of shit at the end of the day.